Good day everyone, we are Group 6, Bonifacio, Bunyo, De La Rosa, and Naraha, and today we will present the design of a dipole antenna with one reflector and one director. The antenna operates at a frequency range of 54 MHz to 216 MHz, 54 MHz being the minimum frequency and 216 MHz being the maximum frequency. To begin, we must calculate the center frequency using the formula Fc is equal to square root of F min multiplied by F max. Upon substituting the values, we will get square root of 54 MHz multiplied by 216 MHz, thus equaling to 108 MHz. Next thing we need to calculate is to compute for the wavelength. To compute for the wavelength, we'll use the formula wavelength is equal to c over fc, c being the speed of light, fc being the value we calculated earlier. Substituting, we'll get 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second over 108 times 10 raised to 6 hertz. And that will equal to 2.7777777778 meters. Now the answer will be multiplied by 0.94, accounting for the minus 6% adjustment for the theoretical value.
To get the length of given element or LDE, the formula would be LDE is equal to lambda divided by 2. We already have the given wavelength, which is 2.7777777778 meters. To substitute the values for the solution, LDE is equal to lambda divided by 2. Then LDE is equal to 2.7777777778 meters divided by 2. The answer would be LDE is equal to 1.388888889 meters. To get the actual antenna size, the formula would be LDE multiplied by 0.94. To substitute the values, 1.388888889 meters times 0.94. Then the answer would be 1.305555556 meters. Moving on, to calculate for the length of the rector, the formula would be LD is equal to LDE minus 5% of LDE, where LD is equal to 0.95 times LDE. The given LDE is 1.388888889 meters. So to substitute the values for the calculation of solution, LD is equal to LDE times 0.95. Then LDE is 1.388888889 meters times 0.95. The answer would be 1.319444444 meters. To get the actual antenna size, the formula would be LD multiplied by 0.94. So 1.319444444 meters times 0.94. Then the answer would be 1.240277778 meters.
I am Bunyao, and I will be the one to discuss our calculations for the length of reflector or LR and spacing from reflector to driven element or SR minus DE. So for the length of reflector, we will be using the formula of LR is equals to LDE plus 5% LDE. Substituting the values will get us 1.05 times 1.388888889 m, which then equals to LR is equals to 1.458333333 m. And now to get the theoretical value, we will be using the formula of negative 6% is equals to the original value times 0.94. Substituting the values will get us negative 6% is equals to 1.458333333 m times 0.94 is equals to 1.370833333 m. And now for the spacing from reflector to driven elements, we will be using the formula of SR minus DE equals 0.15 times lambda, or substituting the value will get us 0.15 times 2.7777777778 m, or equals to 0.416666667 m. And to get the theoretical value, we'll be using the formula of negative 6% is equals to the original value times 0.94%, which then equals to 0.391 6666667 m.
So good day everyone, I'll be discussing about spacing from driven element to director or SDE minus D1. So we will be using the formula of SDE minus D1 equals to 0.10 multiplied by lambda. And now for the substitution is SDE minus D1 equals to 0.10 multiplied by 27777777778 m. And for the theoretical value, we will be using the formula of negative 6% equals to the original value times to 0.94 is equivalent to 0.2611111111 m. So for the length of boom or LB, we will be using the formula of LB equals to SR minus DE plus SDE minus D1 plus 2 multiplied by 0.0254 meters. For the substitution, 0.4166666667 meters plus 0.277777778 meters plus 2 multiplied by 0.0254 meters is equals to LB equals 0.7452444444 meters. And now for the theoretical value, we will be using the formula of negative 6% equals to original value multiplied by 0.94. So the equivalent is 0.70052977778.